Dude, I say get off the counter. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? You scared? Get off the counter. What are you doing? This cat is immune. What is this? She has. Okay, get off.
Miss you already.
Cause I've been thinking about forever, and I swear it's just you and me. It might take us forever, but I don't mind cause it's meant to be. Or are you scared of the thought of falling like raindrops in stormy weather? Well, I can hold you close to me through it all. Yeah, we can be alone together.
How long have we known each other? Over the past few weeks. I'm not quite sure.